Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can Uber credits be used for Uber Eats? You can use Uber credits, also known as Uber Cash, for rides in the Uber app or ordering food through Uber Eats. You can get Uber credits as a gift, earn them through referrals, or receive them directly from the company, either as a bonus or as compensation for an issue. Can you transfer Uber Cash to bank account? With instant cash outs, available balance is deposited to your debit card or eligible bank account. In most cases this transfer is instant. This transfer can take up to 3 business days, and the exact timeline depends on your bank. Note: you may be charged a fee to cash out your earnings outside of the normal schedule. Where can I use my Uber credits? Step 1. Open the Uber app on your device. Step 2. After that, tap the white credit bar above the black request button. Step 3. Next, tap Change Payment Method. Step 4. On the payment options screen, use the slider on the bar next to your credit amount.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.